Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on MetaQuest 3S. To manage notifications, go to Settings, then go to Notifications, and now in Do Not Disturb mode, in Do Not Disturb tab, you can enable Do Not Disturb and it will mute all notifications. Then you can go to Meta Horizon apps and you can manage notifications from these apps for full supervision. You can allow or disallow notifications. You can choose where you will get notifications, and you can choose types of notifications, and you can also go to My Apps and select from which apps you want to receive notifications. For example, you can disable some or enable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.